This is Highshine 240 ton servo injection molding machine. Let's check some details of the configuration. This is the hydraulic motor. We use the 10 ton high-speed hydraulic motor. And here we can see this is double linear rails for the injection unit. Here we have 3 sockets and plugs. This is the total pressure and the back pressure gauge. And here we can see the cover of the screw barrel is stainless steel. This is a Q8 Technician PLC. Here we can see the clamping system and the tie bars. This is the lubrication system. From here, we can see the hydraulic safety valve here. When we open the safety door, the hydraulic safety valve will work and stop the hydraulic system from working, and it can make sure we have 3 safety protection for this injection molding machine. Here we can see that we have 1 valve for the ejector and 2 valves for the copper. The brand of the valve is Yukon from Taiwan. And here you can see our clamping unit. We use very strong design for the clamping system to make a very long time lifespan. And the T-slot on the plate is our standard configuration. For every connector for the hydraulic system, we all use seals elements. Every connector. You can have a look here. We all use sealing elements. And here we can see here we also have the safety rope for the safety. And this is a servo motor, and this is a high-tech pump. This pump is very durable. And from here we can see this. This is a proportional valve for the back pressure. That means we can adjust the back pressure on the PLC. It's different from the manual one. That means we can adjust the back pressure very precisely. And here for every connectors, we all use the sealings inside for make sure it have no leakage in the future.